Hi, I'm Steve with T-Rex. We manufacture the highest quality tape products on the market, and as you can see, we have a full assortment of tape technologies and accessories. Today, I'm going to explain the benefits of T-Rex superglue tape versus T-Rex mounting tape. T-Rex mounting tape is a thicker, heavier duty foam tape that's ideal for more permanent applications like sticking a mailbox to a rough surface like brick or masonry, and is really a heavy duty product that you want to use in exterior and almost building applications. On the other side, T-Rex superglue tape is a thinner tape for more discrete repairs where you don't want to see the layers of the tape holding things together. It also instantly sticks to surfaces after application and is ideal for surface-to-surface repairs like in reinstalling a car headliner, holding up a small section of chair rail. You can even use this for repairing hemmed pants or busted shoe soles. This tape is also great for arts and crafts and school projects, making it a really diverse and useful tape. As you can see, T-Rex superglue tape has a wide variety of uses, whether at home or on the job site. Learn more about T-Rex superglue tape and all of our ferociously strong products at trextape.com.